NMTV Editor-in-Chief Dr. Ravi Subbia's life is a story of battle and struggles that any disabled child has to face. Being born into a poor family added further challenges in his struggle. However, he knocked each adversity, changed each into opportunity, and took on life in such a way that today the story of his life and struggle is inspiring one and all. We take immense pleasure in informing you that last week, NMTV Editor-in-Chief Dr. Ravi Subbia was invited to address the youth at Oxford, London. The trip saw Dr. Ravi Subbia interacting with youth at many places to share his story that inspired each one who saw him and heard him. We bring to you all the details of the London trip with our weekend special report.
Brother, you're especially all the way from Bombay, and I'm very blessed, honestly, from the depth of my heart, I'm very blessed to meet you.
डॉक्टर रवि जो इंडिया से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं वो यहाँ पे लंदन में हमारे साथ हैं और just now we saw how he in his everyday life goes through a lot of things and he's just like us, and praise God that he's here with his team today.
Editor-in-Chief of NMTV, that's how you know Dr. Ravi Subbia. But how did he become the first physically challenged accredited television journalist is perhaps what you do not know. Born in Dharavi slums, it was 3 years after he was born that Dr. Ravi Subbia became a victim of polio. Call it a miracle, a wonder, or just destiny that all the 24 other polio-afflicted children admitted at All India Institute of Medical Sciences at Haji Ali in Mumbai with him died during the treatment process, while Dr. Ravi Subbia was the only child who survived. But the test of life had just begun. When Dr. Ravi Subbia's mother gave up hope of his recovery and saw only a grim future for her first son, she decided to throw him into the sea. It was here that an evangelist spotted his mother and stopped her. Perhaps that was the turning point of his life. Dr. Ravi Subbia became one of the few students to be attaining education in the normal mainstream system in National School in Bhandup, Mumbai, and then completed his bachelor's degree from Kamri Bhara Patil College at Vashi. While all this sounds simple, it was anything but that. Poverty has its own effects on childhood, and disability only made things worse. Compelled to live in a hand-to-mouth situation, Dr. Ravi Subbia's childhood memories are as heart-rending as can be. Food was available for each member in the family only for survival. Every festival went by with no new clothes, no new toys, while disability made him a victim of abuse, bickering, insult, embarrassment, neglect and humiliation. But instead of losing to the bitter tests of life, Dr. Ravi Subbia turned every adversity into opportunity. With the aim of standing on his own feet, he took tuition classes even as he was a student himself. In his journey from an adolescent to a young man, he learned to live life daringly, boldly and fearlessly. Perhaps that's why when he completed his graduation and opted for becoming an entrepreneur against the will of his family, and a couple of years later, he took his first step towards the real mission of his life. And he called this mission NMTV. the only local cable news station to be accredited by the government of Maharashtra. Dr. Ravi Subbiah is the first physically challenged television journalist in the world. This feat was recognized when the University of Jerusalem conferred on him an honorary doctorate. And that is why many call Dr. Subbiah Destiny's child who dared to change destiny itself.
उस सर्वशक्तिमान प्रभु ने मुझे आज जो चलाता है, मैं उसका सामर्थ्य हूँ, मैं उसका गवाही हूँ। आप जान सकते हैं कि जब मुझे प्रभु चला सकता है, आप जैसे लोगों को क्यों नहीं।
मेरी माँ की जो वो तपस्या जो बोल सकते हैं, मैं जब भी ऐसे पेरेंट्स को देखता हूँ तो मेरी माँ याद आ जाती है।
3 मूल्यों पे दुनिया चलती है जो मैंने समझा है, ईमानदारी, वफादारी और खुददारी। ये तीनों के ऊपर ही पूरी दुनिया चलती है। आज तक पहले भी चलती आ रही है और आगे भी चलेगी।